So hello guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. In this video section, I am covering you the top 5 thing that people make while in trading meme coin. So the first thing is actually you should need to be very fast in the market. Like you need to be extraordinary fast. If you are if you are working like a slow term or if you take like to analyze the chart very slowly, you can easily miss the pumps. Like if you, for example, if we open the daily chart, as you can see, so if you just see the chart and the market cap, if you just like see if the price is moving upward and you are seeing like to check the liquidity or rug pull or website, Twitter, Telegram or something like that, you will miss the pump. So you need to be actually very fast. So in this video section, I am going to cover you like a few trading tips that I use to trade meme coins, so in which you can also get help. And I think you will like it, uh, my strategies or something like that. If you see this coin is actually it's pumping, and I think it will gonna be go to I think the 130 market cap. If you watch the XRP video, you can find out my analysis. And if you see my analysis that I predicted the XRP price can go up, there's a short time correction here, and the prediction was right. So let's start the video. So first thing you should be like in the market is you should be very fast. So I don't know what the tool I'm using, like auto draw, and if you have any suggestion, so tell me the tool so that I will use the next time. The next tip is to do is the like you need to know where you are entering. So you need to know your enter position. So basically I can give you an example. In this video I will not give any chart explanation. So basically if I open the trading view, just wait for it. This is my other account chart. You can see that I predicted like the price go down to the 1.9 1.9 or 2.38 range. As I predicted, the price just go very down. If we see the last price, it was like 2.3 guys, and the last price was approximately, the dump was around about like 2.23 2 point something like that. The price goes then down to the 1.9, which I predicted in my last video at 4-hour chart. Yeah, the 4-hour chart. So my prediction was very right, and now I think the price will go approximately 2.4 range. Then it will be another correction that will happen, then it can be pump. So let's not focus on this part. So what you need to do, or you can say, see the price is trying to get pump. So basically the support and resistance play a very important role. So I'm going to draw a random chart like here, here, and here, and the price is going that way. So first support, second support resistance. So basically this is the our support resistance. Like I can draw here resistance, that is support. So resistance is always downward, and support mean the price get if the price reach to a specific trend line, like this is an resistance, this is an support, this is a support, this is a resistance. So basically you know the concept of support and resistance. And the many traders they just see the trend, like if the price is going upward trend, they took position like here, and when they just get in the position, then the price is starting to get dumped, or you can say the downward. And if they are in the sell position, so mostly they do used to sell here, and they see a dump, but it is always a correction market. So market is not yours. First of all, the rule is the market is not for everyone. So you need to take profit, you need to have like your profit, because you need to have your amount that you are spending. Otherwise you will lose all your money. And if you are don't know anything about the trading, so I would recommend to hold the altcoin. Holding is the key fundamental, because if you are new and don't know the basic of trading, at least you can hold the coin, so you can the maximize your profit. I can give you also a short video on the how you can hold these type of altcoin. So I will also share my portfolio and my coin that I am holding right now. I am holding 7 coins, so I will make another video. So basically you need to be very knowledgeable to know which is the position correct way. So basically when the price just get hit here to the resistance line, so you need to wait. If the price manages to break downward, so you need to take position right here. But you are not a good trader, so if you are a new trader, so wait for the price to retest the trend line. If the price retest the trend line and just bounce back, so you need to take a position like here. So it will lower your profit maximization, but it help you to keep safe, and you can get also the profit. So basically the price can go down. So in the another example, if we just talk about the like a in detail form, I can explain this like 3 line: price go up, price go down, price go up, price go down, price go up, price go down, price go up, price go down. So basically you need to, if you are in buy position, like in buy position, so my strategy is like this: I wait for the first line, the price get a bounce, then to retest it, wait for the second. So this is my entry point when I am taking my position. So I enter here and the price go up here, I to the next resistance, I sold my 50% of the profit, and then the price will reset, I just buy more, like 20% more, and then the price pump, I sold my 60% of my portfolio, and I have remaining, I sold in another go. So this is my strategy. And if the price go downward, I always hold, because I have make, if for example I invested $100, I just take my 50% of profit on the first go, I have remaining 50. Am I right? Yeah, it is so much hard to just show you the diagram. Then I have left with 50, and when it go up, it will definitely my 100%, because, and then it goes down, I take also my 50, and 50 is left, and 50 and I take my more 25%, then my position size will be like around about 75%, maybe, yeah, 75%, and then I sold my all 75. So basically it will be 125% position size. So these are some tips and tricks that I will also share with you guys, how you can maximize your profit, and no trader will gonna tell you about this. And I am not interested to make videos, but I see many scammers that are telling the trading stuff. They are lying about how you can trade the coin. And for the selling strategy, I am also sharing a selling strategy. So first the price go down, so here the price go here, then downward, then go here, then go here, and then it will go sideways or something like that. So first I just see this point, then I see this point, I will take like my position here, a selling position here, and then price go here, I sold my 50%. Then my price go back, I just invest 25% more, then my position size will become like 75%. And when here I just to get my 50% of position size, or sometime I agreed with 75%. So basically it will help me to achieve the 125%. So this is the thing that no one is gonna tell you, and by investing 100% of my capital. So if you get the concept, I just tell in this video, you will get a concept. But if you don't, I can make a separate video. Just tell me in this comment section. And the third thing, the most people mistake is they don't know which coin is fundamentally good. They invest in shit coin, like I said. But in this bull run, if we see, there are many meme coins that is mostly shit coin. For example, like this liquidity bull, Lily, and its liquidity is lock, but it's now trending. So guys, I am sharing you a secret sauce here. Always trade with the trend. If the Lily is trending, trade in the Lily, because it has the high volume, like 4.2 million market cap. So always trade in the trend. So first was, always be fast. Always be fast. Know the knowledge of support and resistance, positioning, strategy, and always trade a trending coin and trade with the trend. For example, if we see the Lily, if we see the Lily coin, it is like in the so it is like it's in the like in the supports area. If the price is managed to break upward, my positioning strategy will be I will take my position like something like this. I will show you guys. If the price break, for example, like the price come here, then retest again, then come here, and then retest again, then come here, I will take my position like here or something like between here. So I know the if and I place my stop loss in this section, like 2 point the previous swing low. So this is my strategy that I use and mostly trader use. And the mostly trader are the entertainers that are showing they show the wrong information when the people trade, and they lose all their money. So this is the something that I am telling you guys is a secret sauce. So make sure you press the like button if you know the something from me. Not everything you can learn in few days, but you will learn this in many months. You cannot learn in 1 day or 3 days. So you need to be very active in this. And for the meme coin trading, you need to be very careful, because mostly meme coins are rugged, and I just tell you, I am warning you guys. I am not telling you to do not trade on the meme coin, but I am also giving you the information about many meme coins are the rug scam are the rug pull. And if you are new in the trading space, you can always trade on these type of coin like XRP, or which coin have the highest, like H bar, Cardano, or something like that, which has the high volume. Because it whether if you lose or win the trade, you will not lose your money, and I will be very happy with that, because you don't lose your money. And my key motivation is that I have decided to make videos because I want to share my awareness to the people who are new to the cryptocurrency and watch the dumb tutorial of the dumb scammers. They are selling their courses to how you can be a master trader in 7 days, how you can be a millionaire in 1 month. It's not easy, guys. So these are some strategies that the XRP will be break above the 2.4693 section, as I know the triangle is happening, and the price is above like the trend line. So if you see my information for the meme coin, you can also apply this on the stable coin or XRP, like these type of altcoin, like this. For example, if it form here, so my position strategy will be here. I will enter here because I don't know where the market will go. So I will check the previous resistance and see if the pullback is happening here. See, the correction is happening here, small correction, little bit correction at the macro level, so the price go upward. So I take my position here, like, or something like here. So these are some kind of thing that you need to watch. And if you just calculate the position size, as I can show you, like if I take position here, and first of all I place my take my profit like 50% here. Then the price go retest. I just put my remaining amount here and wait for the 125%. So this it is, guys. These are some strategies that you can generate more ROI. So if we see the chart is looking very healthy. So what I will do is, here for a live section, I will just wait for this point. If the candlestick come here, then come downward. Most of the time the price do in the crypto is like fake out, like this. You see this fake out. So most trader place their trade here, so they lose like their position, like 50% of their position size. So what my strategy is to do in this type of scenario, what I will do is to, like, let me show you this position here and just wait for it. And 1 2, see, just remember this, 1 2 3. You need to enter like 3 part here to maximize your risk calculation, and then you need to sold your 50% above the resistance level, before the resistance level, like here. Don't wait for this resistance to touch. Always like be cautious, because your money is very important. Then what you want to do is, when you coming downward, wait for the retest. If the retest happening, if the price is like in the here, you can invest your 50% again, so you can make your double your money. You can 125 it. So these are some strategies that I share with you guys to enter and to make safe trade, like these type of thing. So this is my another chart that I use. If you want to this type of chart, I can also help you to create this type of chart. Why not you watch my analysis video, so I can teach you a proper analysis, the price analysis, so you can predict the future price also. So if you want this type of thing, I can also make this. And if we see the like valley, let me check the valley. I'm very interested in this valley, like it is new. Yeah, I can invest. See, if the price is managing to get again here, like here, so what my strategy will be here and then here. And if the down is dumping, I will not enter, because I know I have the low capital. So these are type of thing that you need to watch and be very cautious in the trading psychology. So if you like the video, make sure you press the like button and also press the subscribe button. See, the price is now ready to pump. And let me check the transaction, like 500. Yeah, the whale bought like a $580, which means that the price will gonna go up. And I think the price will easily broke the previous high, because it's so much bullish, and the heat is now exit, and the price will go up. So basically you have a clear sign to enter the trade here. So these are type of thing that you need to do. So make sure you press the like button and also press the subscribe button for more video. Please guys, subscribe me, so I know the more people subscribe me, so I can make more video very quickly. So thank you guys, have a nice day.